Energy prices have increased dramatically over the last decade. Some local college students want to combat the problem by inventing new energy-efficient cookware. Consumer reporter Diane Sitek joins us live in the Flint newsroom to show us their inventions. Diane.
Janice, a freshman class project at Kettering University is turning up a lot of ideas on how to make pots and pans better. In today's WNEM5 Consumer Alert, how young minds and their ideas could serve consumers.
We can zoom in and out and look at it closely, see it in its wireframe, and then see it fully shaded and rendered.
They're energy efficient, cost effective, easy to use and to clean, and very marketable. But they're not yet on store shelves.
There's nothing on the market like what we're doing.
Philip Lundberg is just one of nearly 70 freshmen at Kettering University who have teamed up into groups to invent better-made cookware.
Any surface that you have touching the air really has massive heat losses. And so basically you can not feel any heat being transferred because of this aerogel we have.
Aerogel. That's one of the ingredients in this pan. It's what the space industry uses for space vehicles. Other students included copper, ceramic, stainless steel, and glass, but all meet the requirements of being energy efficient.
Well, we have a copper inner core which distributes the heat evenly, and it transfers the heat throughout the whole pot.
Their ideas can help you save money by saving energy.
Research went into actually just to decide what we were going to make it out of because we wanted to make it affordable, so we had to play with different metal.
Your team will strive for simplicity.
Professor Judson Singer stirred up the idea.
Why pots and pans?
Because they're energy-consuming devices, and we'd be fooling ourselves if we felt as though energy prices and the availability is going to continue to be abundant in this part of the world or any other.
It's energy efficient to save energy, which is save money, and it cooks really fast too because all the energy, all the heat's reserved in it, so it make it cook faster and guess it save money and time, which is important to everybody's daily life.
I think they all deserve a 4-point on this project. If you would like to check it out, all you have to do is go to WNEM.com and click on the Consumer Alert link because we have linked the Kettering University website to ours. Reporting live in Flint, Diane Sitek, WNEM 5 News.
Thanks, Diane. Thanks, Shay. Students at One Mid-Michigan University have been busy working on a class project designing energy-efficient and cost-effective cookware. And you could be cooking with it in the future. Now, joining us this morning from Kettering University to talk about the project is Professor Judson Singer, and we have two students, George Vidanish and Philip Lundberg. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Professor, tell us about the project and how it got started.
This is a freshman design project. The class is basically called Engineering Design Communication. They're learning how to use the tools of design engineering, etc. So to give them a context in which to begin to learn to use these tools and communicate their design in a professional manner, which is what they'll be doing as they go into the career, they're given a design exercise, real exercise, doing real design on real things. And in this case, we're trying to make the designs as useful and contemporary and current and, something that they can understand and get into because they are freshmen. They're just coming into engineering school.
Okay, why don't we give the students, George, why don't you go first? Maybe if you can hold out your design, tell us about yours.
Okay, the project goal was to design energy-efficient cookware. The design of this product optimizes the transfer of heat. It allows for less heat to be lost through the air, and also the lid also allows for less heat to be lost through the air, and also increases inside pressure, which will increase the temperature inside it and allow for shorter cook time, which also allows for less energy to be used.
Which of course helps all of us who are always in a hurry to get things done.
Of course.
And Philip, how about yours? If you can do the same thing, tell us about your design.
Basically the idea behind this pan is to reduce energy losses to the air. And basically you have massive losses in the air. And I achieved this through using a 3-ply system. And between this groove here, there's a substance called the carbon aerogel. And this substance is used like in the space shuttle and has basically no heat transfer properties. I use basically a copper element to heat the food evenly and as quickly as possible.
They both sound great. What are the chances, Professor, that we might actually see these products on the market?
The students that are coming to Kettering University are very bright, very energetic folks. They understand patents and patent processes, and if they as individuals or a group want to undertake this and carry it to other levels and commercialize it, they certainly can. It would be nice to do it because we are coming into an energy shortage world and prices are going to be higher.
Okay. We thank you very much for being with us this morning.
Thank you very much.
And your designs look great. Thank you very much. If you'd like more information, you can visit Kettering's open house this morning. It's at 10 o'clock. Or you could visit WNEM.com and look for the Kettering cookware link on the Consumer Alert page.
Witness the birth of a new dawn. You have seen the future, but more lies ahead. Just around the corner, just beyond the stars. You will be ready now. You have learned how to play.